welcome to the last day, day number 5. Today we're crossing Telemark region all the way to Oslo and then heading north to get back home. It was so nice staying in the hotel, I know, after such a long time. Like all the memories coming back. So nice. Nothing changed. The hotel is still the same as it was 10 years ago. But that's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing at all. So far we have not been lucky to see any wildlife. We should keep our eyes open because it's quite early in the morning. And around late afternoons, early night, you can see a lot of moose. I don't know why those times, but every time we have seen moose around, it was always either early morning or late afternoon.
Welcome to Hogga Locks, the final and highest lock system on the Telemark's canal main stretch, lifting boats 7 meters over 2 massive stone chambers to a total of 72 meters above sea level.
Okay, next stop, Stave Church. Okay, we found the church, or Stave Church. Welcome to Høyjord, Stave Church. That's beautiful. It dates back to the 12th century. However, the main part, the nave, is actually from the 13th century. Oh, we cannot go in. There's a wedding. Oh, that is a shame. Oh, damn. During some restorations, 5 skeletons were found under the floor, and they were dated to the time of the Black Death in the mid-1300s. And there are actually paintings of ships or ship naval vessels inside, dating back to 14th century. I wish we could see it, but there's an ongoing wedding. I had to quickly stop because I saw something cute and not just these baby sheep. I will take a picture, but I have something better. Is that a llama or alpaca? Don't run away. Stop. So weird. She's looking at me. Hi. You're super fluffy. all of them are looking like, who the hell are you and what you doing here? In Oslo now. It's quite a heavy traffic. Well, it could always be worse with Oslo. So yeah, the season is starting. Look at how many boats are here. Oh, and this is very popular road for running. There are always people running here. I don't think I ever remember people not running on this promenade. Feels like I was in the villages and out of the civilization literally 5 minutes ago, and now I just ridden through whole Oslo. That was a very fast ride. Few tunnels under Oslo and you come up on the other side. And now 30 minutes to the airport, the main one, Gardermoen, and then 30 minutes behind Gardermoen and I am home. Oh my, I'm so lucky. I am 24 minutes from home and it's starting to rain. What? Oh my. The whole trip. Beautiful, sunny. At some point very, very hot. And now I'm gonna get completely soaked. Oh no. Look, it's coming right there. Okay, I think we are actually gonna get lucky. I think I went around the cloud. I think we should be safe. Okay, let me try it again. No. Fingers crossed. Almost home. Back to Mjøsa. Yeah. And I spoke too soon. It's just started raining again. Oh my. It was now so slippery on the main road. I had to go like so slowly. But the rain came from both sides, so there was no way I would avoid that. What an amazing 5 days. Thank you everybody for joining me. If you enjoyed it as much as I did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.